and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I hope you will like the video of today. So let's start our today's video with a new session. So we'll talk about here about the scientist. Okay, what we should call the scientist. Whether mankind. The field is all mankind. How we developed in the mind and the body from primitive captures and early forms and an anthropologist, so they are will be called anthropologists from primitive culture and early forms. Next, what is above? The field is the heaven and all that is in them, planets, galaxies, stars and other universe. They are called astronomer. Astronomer. Next, and what is below? So listen carefully. The field is comparatively little and insignificant. Whirling ball on which we live, the earth. How did our planet come into being? What is it made of? How were its mountains, oceans, rivers, plains, and valleys formed? And what is down deep if you start digging? A geologist. So they are a geologist. Next, what is life? The field is all living organisms from the simplest one called amoeba to the amazing complex and mystifying structure we call a human being, plant or animal, flesh or vegetables, denizen of water, earth or air. If it lives and grows, the scientists wants to know more about it. A biologist. So they are called a biologist. Flora. Biology classifies life into two great divisions, plant and animal. This scientist's province is the former category. Flowers, trees, shrubs, mosses, marine vegetation, blossoms, fruits, seeds, grasses, and all the rest that make up the plant kingdom. So they are called a botanist. We all heard about the botanical garden. Okay, so the person, those who research this kind of places, they are called a botanist. A fauna, animals of every description, kind, and condition, from birds to bees, fish to fowl, reptiles to the humans, are the special area of exploration of this scientist. They are called a geologist. Next, and all the little bugs, there are over 6,650,000 different species of insects and millions of individuals of every species, and the scientist is interested in every one of them. They are called an entomologist. An entomologist. Now I think today's video will get to know that what to call a scientist, a specific firm. Tower, next is Tower of the Babel. The linguistic scientists explore the subtle, intangible, elusive uses of that unique tool that distinguishes human beings from all other forms of the life. To wit, language. This person is, in short, a student of linguistic, ancient and modern, primitive and cultured, Chinese, Hebrew, Icelandic, Slavic, Teutonic, and every other kind spoken now or the past by the human beings. They are called the philologist. I am talking about the book called Word Power Made Easy, and I am doing this book for you so that you can become a good person in English. This is not an ordinary English, this is an advanced English. And believe me, my friends, when we will complete this book, you will see the changes in yourself. You will definitely speak English with the advanced word if you will carefully and attend all the session and watch all the videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel also. What do you really mean? Next, we only have two left for today's. What do you mean? What do you really mean? This linguistic scientist explored the subtle, intangible, elusive relationship between language and the thinking. So they are called the semanticist. Who are your friends and the neighbors? The scientist is a student of the ways in which people live together, their family and community structures and customs. So they are called a sociologist. So we have completed the today's session, and why English is very important. Everyone can speak in English nowadays while learning vocabulary, but this is not just an ordinary vocabulary. These are the advanced word, and believe me, my friend, this will going to help you a lot when you will speak somewhere, and if you will speak with the advanced word, so you will see that people will love to listen you, and it can open a new opportunity for you. I have told you several times that the English is not just a language, it is a communication skill and also a global language. Even you want to go for study for overseas in Canada, Australia, or UK, or New Zealand, wherever you want to go, for which you need to qualify ielts or the TOEFL examination, depends upon the country's requirement. So if you really want to improve your English, so it is the best way. Just subscribe the channel, and I'm here to help you a lot to improving your English communication skill. And even English can help you to get the job in corporate or the MNC companies, where you can earn more money, and even you can become a like good person in your life. You will be stand on your feet, and you will grow in your life, and that is my mission, to improve your English speaking. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you so much.